Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2010 Harley Davidson Sportster motorcycle gas tank. This motorcycle tank's got some damage in it from actually being at a motorcycle repair shop. Now they had the tank actually disconnected from the bike, but the fuel line assembly and fuel pump assembly was still connected to the tank itself and connected to the engine as well. Well, the gas tank actually got bumped and actually tipped and spun around and swung into the rest of the engine. Basically think of it like swinging like this, like I'm showing you here. It swung around and actually unfortunately dented the side of the tank here. It had a little bit of damage on the paint, like some very, very minor scuffs and scratches and stuff like that. We're gonna go ahead and buff out those the best we can. They probably won't come out 100%, but it'll come out really, really nice and the dent will be completely gone. When we get done with this tank, you will not be able to tell unless you get right up and see the paint damage that there was any damage at all.
All right, all finished up with this gas tank here. I was able to do all the repairs on it through actually the bottom hole in the gas tank that I showed earlier, where the fuel pump actually sits. So the damages came out absolutely flawless. They look absolutely fantastic here. We got the gas tank setting up right so you can see it in the shop lights there. So it came out absolutely great. It looks fantastic. The customer was super happy. If you take a look here really, really closely, you might be able to see a little bit of the scuffs in that top left dent there. I'm actually gonna show them to you right here. And you can kind of see, not right there, right there. And anyway, so the damages came out absolutely great. You can see a little bit of scuff there, but that's exactly what we expected it to come out with because, you know, we don't really get into heavy duty buffing and polishing to that level. Potentially if you brought it to a detail shop, they might be able to get it a little bit better, but honestly, once this thing's on the bike and it's out on the road, you're not gonna see any of that kind of stuff. So we were able to get this repair done very, very quick for this customer and get him back on the road. If you've got similar damage in your fuel tank, give us a call, 605-595-4061. Remember, we work on motorcycle gas tanks and fenders. Thanks for watching.